So now we will do cross product of two vectors in Cartesian coordinate system. So you have got vector A is equal to AXI cap plus AYJ cap plus AZK cap. Vector B is equal to BXI cap plus BYJ cap plus BZK cap. If you are doing here A cross B, you will be writing here AXI cap plus AYJ cap plus AZK cap cross BXI cap plus BYJ cap plus BZK cap. Now multiply. So when you are multiplying here AX BX, so AX BX, but I cap cross I cap is 0, so this term will be 0. Then we can multiply AX BY, but I cross J cap, that is K cap, plus AX BZ, I cross K, that is here minus J cap, then AY BX, J cap and I cap here. So J cross I is here minus K cap. Now we can take here, this is AY BX, now AY BY, that will be 0 because J cap cross J cap, that is 0. Now plus AY BZ, J cross K is here I cap, then plus AZ BX, here AZ BX K cross I, and K cross I is J cap, and now plus AZ BY, that is K cross J is minus I cap. Now AZ BZ, K cap cross K cap, that is equal to 0, so plus 0. Now we club here, all this thing is here. First see I1, AY BZ, this here I, and here minus AZ BY I cap. Now here AZ BX J, and here AX BZ J cap. Now plus we can take here K1, so AX BY, and then minus K is here AY BX, this is here K cap. So this is the cross product of two vector in Cartesian coordinate. This can be also done, this can be also written in the determinant form, and directly this equation can be written.